Here's a quick tip if you use ChatGPT a lot. You can ask a question right from within your browser by utilizing a shortcut. And you can set up a shortcut in your browser by right-clicking and selecting Manage Search Engines and Site Search. And if you click on Add next to Site Search, you can specify the name of the search you're doing, which is ChatGPT. It doesn't really matter what you call it. The shortcut, this is what you're going to type when you're in your address bar. I'm going to type in chat, and then the URL. So this is going to be HTTPS, and so chat.openai.com, and then question mark Q equals, so that's the query, and then you'll notice it says to put in the %s in place of the query. So I'll put in %s, click on add, and now it's set up. So now if I want to ask ChatGPT a question, I don't have to go to the actual site. I can just go from anywhere in my browser. In the address bar, type in chat, and let's see, what are some cool Excel tricks? And it's going to open up ChatGPT and create that prompt for me right away, and it's going to start generating the response for me. So it saves you a little bit of time, and this works on other sites as well.